All right, here we are. Have you been looking for a ranch-style house in Gales Ferry? This is a unique situation. We've got right here 0.3 acres. This abutting lot right there, 0.4, known as 12 Bluff. And then right down there next to the fire hydrant, that level area, that lot is included as 0.6 acres. That is number 9 Bluff. And this is a low traffic location here in Gales Ferry, walkout lower level. And what's unique about this property is it's got the 3 parcels. So if you've got a boat, a camper, you've got extra space to be able to park. We've got actually the lower level walkout as a parking area. This backyard can be turned into a driveway. The above ground pool, I'd say it's a takedown. It could get a new liner, but the seller says he hasn't used it in a few years. This is a beautiful 2002 build. It's a 1,404 square feet structure, which is 3 bedrooms. Primary suite is over on the left-hand side, and then the 2 bedrooms and full bath are over on the right-hand side. And it's, like I said, 2002 build. You've got a nice fire pit and backyard setting right here. So the walkout lower level, I think, is nice because you've got some great ceiling height. Stay with me until the end. You're going to see that lower level right there. So we just completed a full exterior walk around on it for you. And I'm going to jump right into the interior for you and get you through this in no time. This house is available in about a 30 to 45 day time period. And let's get you into the interior. So we've got regular 8-foot high ceilings right here. And my ridge is running north-south parallel to the Thames River. This is the primary living area, and we'll go through the home in a clockwise manner. Primary bedroom number 1 is right here. Scale of this bed, just so you can get a sense of the space. This is a king-size bed right here. Reach-in closet right there. This is modular construction. This is what's known as the mating wall, where the 2 halves come together. You've got vinyl flooring, tub shower right there, little makeup area in the vanity location. So my dining area splits the house right dead center. Here's my dining area. One of the things that I like about it is the fact that if you have a holiday gathering, you throw a couple extra leaves, you can extend the table. Nice little drop zone right here. Eat-in kitchen. I do want to point out thermal seal failure on the sliding glass door, so you'd be getting a new slider for sure. Again, vinyl flooring right here, laminate tops, ready for your HGTV refresh if you're so inclined. It is livable, ready to move into. Let me just shut this door here. That goes down to the lower level. We're going to do that last for you. Bath number 2, same situation in terms of finishes. Tub shower combo, vinyl flooring, elongated bowl. Linen closet right here. Bedroom number 2. Again, reach-in closet, view of the backyard. You do actually have some peekaboo views of the Thames River from the home here. Bedroom number 3 right here. Arts and craft setup right there. So you actually have a 4x8 working surface, easily removed from the wall. Unusual situation where sewing machine was right in that little box right there, but reach-in closet in bedroom number 3. Walk out lower level. Let's get you through this. And I'm going to head right on over to the walkout just to tie the knot on the beginning of this quick tour. This was our walkout location, front door right there. So you can get a sense of the space right here. Plenty of ceiling height. This is a drop ceiling, and it's only about 3 inches below the floor joists. So great home theater setup. Right here to my left rear, this is where my oil-fired boiler, oil tank right here, boiler here. That's the boiler room. Little gaming area right here. Great space. Here's your laundry, located right on the lower level. How's this for a nice little office? There was a plumbing leak that was attended to, and actually it all, no mold or anything. This was all cleaned up right away. So no problems there. Just needs to be refinished. Drywall, compound paint. Last but not least, my little utility area, basically used as a walk-in pantry. Main service right here. This is a 200 amp service. Okay? So that's it for 14 Bluff. And 14 Bluff isn't just your single lot at 0.30 acres. This offering is for all 3 parcels. It's going to be number 14, 12, and 9 Bluff, totaling a ½ acre. Gets you close to Groton and New London Gales Ferry location. Schedule your showings today. Bye-bye.